Welcome to School Focus. I'm your host, Melissa Payne. Grand Park Middle School students received the chance to go on adventures and explore different areas of the world without leaving their school.
Would you like to go to Antarctica? No one officially lives here.
These sixth graders headed to the Earth's southernmost continent. On their journey, they saw images of animals and people living in the freezing temperatures. The images were so detailed that many students found themselves reaching out to try to touch them. This unique experience was made possible by Google's Expedition Pioneer program. After learning about the program while attending an expo, librarian Monica Abrams immediately signed up for the chance to have an expedition team visit Grand Park Middle School. 20 teachers with classes of approximately 30 students each signed up to participate.
How about we go and we visit the planets?
The teachers were given a list of over 100 expeditions that were possible, and they picked the ones that matched their curriculum best. So if they are right now working on underwater exploration, then there was an expedition that went for that. There's a group doing the news, so there is a news expedition where you get to see a studio and an anchor and the career aspect of what it's like.
A representative from Google was on site for the one-day visit, allowing students and teachers the opportunity to use an expedition kit. Each student was given a Google Cardboard, which is outfitted with a set of binoculars and a viewfinder. An Android device with the Expeditions app is placed in the cardboard. When students look at the device through the binoculars, they are able to see a 3D rendering of scenes that track and react to their head movements. Sixth grader Erin Littorini.
It was really amazing. We learned about Antarctica and the ocean reefs and the ocean, and we got to experience it in a way that you wouldn't normally get to experience.
Using a Nexus device tablet that is connected by wireless internet to the Android device in the Google Cardboard, teachers were able to guide students on various journeys. They are able to point out certain bits of information that tie into curriculum that students have already covered or that they will be learning soon. Sixth grader Amara Perkins.
Instead of just like looking at one picture, you could just move around and see the whole entire scene. We learned about like different types of life underwater, and we saw all the different sharks like really up close. It was probably the most detailed you'll probably ever see them without going actually in the water.
Grand Park Middle School was among several schools in the United States to pilot this valuable teaching resource for Google. The expeditions were created by teachers and content partners from around the world. To find out more, visit the Google Expedition Pioneer Program's website. That's it for this edition of School Focus. Join us next time as we bring you more news and highlights from around the school division.